Are you gonna do the intro with me?
No.
Why?
You do the intro.
I have to introduce you.
Okay.
I have to go down. You wanna get a chair? I don't have a tripod. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest with me, my father. We're gonna make Tom Kha Gai, which is lemongrass chicken soup. Hopefully this goes well because we're not used to cooking. We're not used to making cooking tutorials. If you want to learn how to make this soup, then just keep watching.
We're gonna collect lemongrass from our yard.
Dude, look at all this lemongrass.
So I never really cook with them, so you tell me which. You use the stalk, right?
Yeah.
Like the thick stalk.
I've never collected my own lemongrass before.
I think it's like the thick stalk. So I'll put it down here.
Yeah.
This is what you use, right?
Yes.
Okay, that smells good. You can't use that. You can't use that.
We need way more than that.
I know.
Like a lot of stalks. You probably need about, I would say about 6.
Okay.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, why don't you do it?
Fresh lemongrass from the garden. Okay, that's good. Can't get any fresher than this. Got some fresh lime. I could cook every single day with this view. Oh my god. So we're gonna go ahead and prep all of our food and chop everything up. I will list everything down below so that you guys can keep up to see what ingredients we chop up. And of course, for the main ingredient, you need lemongrass. A lot of it. So when I cut lemongrass, I like to smash it before so that it releases all the aromas into the sauce or soup. I just hit it with the back of the knife like this. And then when you want to cut them about 5 to 6 inches.
Yeah.
We should have cut it with the clippers. Okay, change of plan. If you have cutlet scissors that are really sharp, way easier. See that? It's like magic.
What do you want me to do? Cut up the tomato?
Tomato.
How would you want me to do it?
I kind of like to do it like this.
Okay.
So like kind of thicker slices. Actually, that was a lot of lemongrass.
Yes.
But I like it extra lemony. Don't forget to wash all of your veggies very, very well before cutting them. Duh. So now I'm gonna chop a large white onion. Or is this yellow?
Yellow.
Okay, so for the onions, I like to make skinny slivers. Just be careful, don't cut yourself, obviously. Oh, Eldon always cuts the meat. Do you want to cut the meat? I don't like cutting meat.
I'll cut the meat.
Okay, that would be wonderful.
2 or 3.
That sounds about right. So now I'm gonna cut the ginger. Probably want half.
This way probably.
Yeah, probably that way. I kind of like it like this, like chicken strips this big.
Okay.
Maybe a little thicker than that.
Like
right?
this?
Yeah, like that. There we go. Perfect. Maybe some of the big ones, we can slice those in half. Looks good. So we've got our tomatoes, our onions, our lime. Don't mind my whack ginger cuts. I got lazy. And our lemongrass stalks. We're gonna get everything ready and then throw everything together. Now that is a fancy stovetop switch. Look at that, it lights up. Wow. So I'm getting my water to boil because I'm gonna throw my shiitake mushrooms in there. Hello? You did a superb job. That's exactly what it should look like. Okay, so we had to pause right now to come look at this sunset. Wow. Oh, the video honestly does no justice.
It's not.
At all. I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil in my pot and fry the lemongrass and onions. So we're just gonna caramelize the onions with the lemongrass. That way all the aromas kind of seep out. And then once this is slightly brown, I'm gonna throw my ginger in. My ghetto chopped ginger. And I'm gonna actually cover this now so that all the steam and flavors marinate. All right, now that this has been cooking for a couple minutes, we're ready for our chicken stock. I'm just gonna apply. I'm gonna add this in and put my shiitake mushrooms and the broth inside. And this one also, which is the remaining broth. My father got us this beautiful bunch of oyster mushrooms. They look weird. They give me like trichophobia. Forget it. I'm just gonna use the scissors and just, you know, trim this little root, whatever. Ew. Looks weird. It looks like water balloons. You like hook the hose right here and all the water just goes psh. Wow, I have the best mom ever. She just opened my cans of bamboo shoots, drained it, and opened my coconut milk. Love her. I'm just gonna add all the bamboo shoots inside. Let's go ahead and what an idiot. What an idiot. Oh my God. Technical difficulties, okay? Back to our regular recording schedule. I now put in all of the coconut milk. I'm gonna toss this around and add my fish sauce, which is this. It's called patis. And squeeze all of my lime juice in there and we'll be right back. I just like to eyeball it. So I had my dad pick up some Thai style chili sauce, but didn't realize this is sweet, which I don't want. So I'm just gonna use good old sriracha. Oh, wow. Okay, so I had to do a little bit of rescuing here. We put some sherry. I used a lot of sriracha. I ended up using a little bit of this Thai style chili sauce. I put shoyu, which is soy sauce. I put rice vinegar. I put chili oil. I put sesame oil. I added garlic salt. I added a lot more fish sauce and caldo de pollo, chicken flavor bouillon. Now we're ready to add the oyster shrooms along with my fat plate of tomatoes. And then last but not least, we're adding the chicken. We're gonna stir this up and then let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, and I'll come back and check to see if the chicken is ready. Okay, wow, that is amazing if I do say so myself. Y'all ready to eat?
Yeah, ready.
She's ready.
Okay, eat.
It looks so good. So good. It is so good. Okay, so just a little disclaimer. You need to pick out the lemongrass and the ginger chunks, all right?
Okay.
Okay.
So there we have it. Tom Kha Gai soup. I hope you guys like it.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Yeah? Good?
This is delicious. Oh, don't film us when you eat.
Yum. My dad said it was better than the restaurant. I'm shook. Well, I look like a mess because I've been wearing my makeup all day long and I'm tired. I was breaking a sweat, but thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any future requests, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. See you guys in the next one.